Welcome to Cheddar Up training for troop helpers and booth volunteers with Girl Scouts of Alaska. What is Cheddar Up? Cheddar Up is a point of sales app that allows us to swipe credit cards at booths. Cheddar Up takes credit card payments via a card reader using a scan function and manually entering the card. Girl Scouts of Alaska will be covering the credit card fee for Cheddar Up only for the 2022 cookie season. Cheddar Up has 3 different levels of access, which will be used differently by different members of the troop. Not all councils use Cheddar Up. Other councils may use a different point of sales app. Just like any other POS system, Cheddar Up charges a fee every time you swipe a credit card or manually enter. Council will cover the fee for Cheddar Up only during the cookie season only. The fee is 2.6% of the total sale plus 10 cents for cards taken via the card reader and 2.6% plus 30 cents for cards entered manually or by scanning. These fees will never be seen in your troop bank account. Council pays Cheddar Up directly to cover these fees. Card readers may be purchased directly from Cheddar Up and shipped directly to you, or you may purchase a card reader from Council if you are local to the Anchorage area. Council, at the time of recording, has 9 card readers available in the office. The black card readers are the first generation reader, and they do work this year. The white readers are the new release reader for this year. Update your card reader. Prior to your first booth, do a test run connecting the card reader to be sure that it is updated. Card readers can take up to 15 minutes to update the first time they are used out of the box or after several months of not being used. Card readers can be used while plugged in and charging. Troop helpers and booth volunteers do need to download the Cheddar Up app in order to use Cheddar Up. The app is available for any iPhone or Android phone, and any tablet that has data, location, and Bluetooth enabled. It is important to maintain the most recent version of the app. Check for updates regularly if you do not have automatic updates enabled. Once Cheddar Up has downloaded, opening the app will give you this screen. It may request to update. Please update to the most current version. You do not need to tap Get Started or Sign In. Go to the email or text message where your troop leader or troop cookie manager sent you the code. Tap the link provided. You may need to tap Open in App or Switch Apps depending on your phone settings. Enter your first and last name and your email address. This is required to use the app. The Continue button will turn orange when you have entered your information. This is your home screen for the app. Troop leaders and troop cookie managers have a different home screen. When you are ready to take payments at a booth, tap Take Payment. This storefront contains all of the cookies available in our council. Select the cookie being purchased and then adjust the quantity being purchased. The default is 1. Then you will continue to select any other varieties being purchased. Here you can see an adjustment being made for 3 boxes of Thin Mints. Tap Thin Mints, tap the plus twice to adjust to 3 boxes of Thin Mints, and tap Add. At the top of the screen, you will see the subtotal adjusted to $15 and a very small number 3 in the shopping bag. If this is all the customer has requested, select Check Out. If the customer is getting more boxes as well, select those varieties and follow the same steps. When you're ready, select Check Out. The form screen is used to track which booth time or location recorded this sale. Please follow the directions given by your troop leader or troop cookie manager to fill out this form. Some troops may ask for girls' first names. Others may use a system like Booth Day 1 or Walmart Booth 1 to track which girls had signed up for the booth. You must enter something in this form to continue. Tap Save. The next step is to record the customer's first name, last name, and email address if they would like a receipt. This is the only step where you may enter this information for a receipt, so be sure to ask them now if they would like a receipt. The first time you go to Pay Now, it will prompt you to connect your card reader. If you are not using a card reader, you may skip this step. If you are using a card reader, be sure it is powered on and select Search for Reader. Your phone will prompt you to turn on your location and your Bluetooth if it is not already enabled. The app will say searching while it is looking for the reader and card reader connected when it has located your card reader. It displays the battery percentage at every transaction so you can be sure that it has enough charge. There are 3 ways to accept a card payment: with the swiper, entering the card manually, and scanning a card. Accept payment is to swipe the card or use the card reader, tap, swipe, or insert. Enter card manually is to type in all of the card information. Scan an embossed card allows you to use your device's camera to scan the numbers on the card to accept the payment. This does not take a picture of the card. Entering the card manually and scanning the card carry a higher cost to cancel than swiping or using the card reader does. If you choose to enter the card manually, tap the numbers on the screen and type in the requested information. Pay Now will turn orange at the bottom when the card has been entered fully. Scan Embossed Card will open the camera to scan the card. You may have to enable this permission on your device. Not every card can be scanned, and the lighting will impact the ability to read the card. If the app cannot read the card this way, it will prompt you to enter the information manually. If you are using the swiper or card reader, after you select Accept Payment, this screen will appear. Tap, swipe, or insert the card. The device will prompt you through the end of the sale. After the sale is completed, it will bring you back to the storefront and you are ready to start your next sale.